Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at XRP here. As we can see, looking like it's coming back down again to that initial position where it opened this long on the 023 Fibonacci. Obviously the markets over the past 3 or 4 days have been trickling to the downside, pretty much because everyone's, freaking out about Bitcoin having a bit of a rollover over the past few days, and obviously the market follows suit. You can see there's quite a decent correlation between these two charts here, as there always is with Bitcoin. When things are bearish, Bitcoin's leading the market, isn't it? And when things are bullish, Bitcoin initially leads and then hands it over to the altcoins. And we can see here XRP right now is really just kind of chopping sideways in a very, very tight little area over the past few weeks. Basically putting a little bit of a range here within this wider range, which you can see here we made before. But obviously with the FTX collapse, we came back inside the previous range. And again, I mean, you could argue really that we are just in a larger range right now as well, if you want to be super pedantic. We're in a series of ranges right now, but still ultimately stuck under bear market resistance. You can see here this key area of bear market, previous bull market support, flipped into bear market resistance, which does just happen to be at that 038 Fibonacci level here as well. Something that we almost touched here, along with potentially breaking or at least touching this overall bear market resistance for the previous bull market. You can see here resistance is being made for XRP. Obviously still the all-time high back here that we have not yet reached from the previous bull market. But right now for XRP, zooming in on a bit more of the granular detail, we are just coming back down to retest that 023 Fibonacci again, which, as I said, happens to be at the bottom of that range that we formed back here as well. A good amount of support in this area and structure, in my opinion. And as I said before, I do anticipate XRP having a bounce up here. But obviously if we do lose that 023 Fibonacci, we're easily coming back down into those 30, that anywhere between 35 and 40 cents, in my opinion, is probably fair game in this area here for the bounce. If we did lose this low, back into that area of structure there for a back test, and hopefully a bounce in that area would be on the cards, in my opinion. But right now for XRP, I'm still just holding this long position and waiting and seeing what's going to happen. In my opinion, I do think that we're probably going to get a decent bounce. As you can see, a lot of rejection of that low on that 023, lots of people buying that area up, and I'd probably expect if we could break above this swing high here, heading back up to that bear market resistance again, to tap it. As you can see, we did tap it here, and I'm probably expecting a retest of it at least before, if we did get a big retracement like this, I'd probably expect a test of this first. But obviously so hard to know at the minute, and Bitcoin, Bitcoin's just chilling right now, isn't it? Not too much volume in the markets in general. For some reason, the volume today has been taken off of all my charts. But you can see here, very, very low volume right now for XRP. Not that much going on, really. As you can see, if I just zoom out a bit here, you can see what's going on. We've really had super low volume, to be honest, for XRP for a good while on this Bitstamp chart. But pretty obvious to me that XRP in the long term going to do extremely well, and I am holding it for the long term until we see what happens. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. You're all absolute legends. And with all that being said, I'll see you in the next video.